It's 11:30 p.m. and I'm at Taneesha. Where else would I be?
Sometimes your own house.
Nasty. Yeah, that's it. What else did we do? Nothing. The way we have laughed today when my phone fell. Like, oh, look at my diamond. I got a diamond on my tooth. Tell them.
You got a diamond on his tooth and even I'm getting one.
Yeah. You want gum? Whose video are we watching?
No way.
Welcome to Cancelled University.
Welcome. You should go to cancel.
I will. I'm literally cancelled.
How did you invite me?
The way I'm watching this documentary of the dark side of whatever this is, and Taneesha is asleep. What am I supposed to do now that she's asleep, Taneesha? You all watch the documentary with me now.
Teresa supposedly would even tell patients that there is piety in pain, rather than attempting to help treat the pain.
So Cheeky Pizza sent me these really cool pizzas for dinner today, and I'll be having them. They look really tasty. And this one's the second pizza. You can use my code Archit15 to get these pizzas at a discounted price this weekend. Use the link in my description to order these pizzas. This video has suddenly turned into a mukbang. Also, these pizzas just look really tasty, and I love it. Good morning. I just woke up. Last night was pretty wild. I came home late. I had pizza, and yeah, I fell asleep. And now it's 2 p.m. It's a packed day actually. So yeah, I have to kind of get work done. Yeah. What's up? I just took a bath and I'm on my way to meet Taneesha again. This is what I'm wearing. Why am I so boring today? Yeah, and I don't want to make the vlog boring. I think I'm just making it very boring today. What am I trying to do? Okay, bye guys. I'm leaving. Why is this vlog so funny? I'm leaving. Wrong finger. Bye. Yeah, so wear a mask when you all go out, guys, because wearing a mask is important. I need to stop doing this. All my pictures I'm just like this or this. And then I get hate on my fingers. Your fingers are so long, they look like Harry Potter ones. Yeah, they are long, and what about it? Oh, that's cool. Okay. Yeah, ignore the quality because I'm on my phone.
You know, I was just thinking about how the 3 times that we've laughed so much, it's been when something has fallen. Like yesterday on phone. And then that day, and then that day with Arya here, my mask.
Yeah. Yeah. Ballerina. Where?
Okay, Archit, stop it, yeah.
Why?
Archit, I'm literally slapped you. Stop telling me to scream for the vlog. We're really late.
Guys, Taneesha's getting ready and she's very mad at me because I've not made her late, but she is late.
Just come here. I will literally slap you.
Try, slap.
Okay, Archit, stop it.
Hi.
Hello.
Did you
Hi,
get all of that
Yuvraj.
on video?
Hi, Yuvraj.
Hello.
Look who is here. Am I looking at you? Hi. Say hi to my vlog.
Who's this?
Say hi now.
What? Yuvraj, say something for the
I
vlog.
said hi. Whatever.
Give us some gossip.
Podcast.
You give us some gossip.
Archit is going for dinner today.
Okay, you give me some gossip.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, no. I'm not.
Right.
No.
What do you want me to say, Archit?
You give us some gossip.
What gossip do you want me to give?
Listen,
You have to give
any
me.
cathedral gossip.
I am hungry.
Give me some cathedral gossip.
I am hungry.
That's Maggie. You can just film a
I don't want
conversation.
Maggie.
That's French fries.
Okay.
Okay.
But don't tell your mom I said.
Don't tell your mom I
that.
said either, 'cause even
I
I won't.
I'll say I won't.
No, say you won't, because even we'll
That's
have
exactly
them.
what I just said.
Yeah.
Say Archit.
I don't take my name.
Say Archit.
What did you tell your mom? What did you tell your
That
mom?
they all want fries. Tell me.
Snitch.
Okay, fine.
Hi, I just took a shower and it's like 5 a.m. Believe it or not, it's actually 5 a.m. Yeah, it's 5 a.m. So I washed my hair. Let me just set this up properly. I've been using hair masks from Vasu Healthcare. This one's the hair fall control hair mask, and this one's the keratin treatment damage repair hair mask. What I'm gonna do is, I just washed my hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it on my hair and leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna go rinse my hair. These are Vasu 3-Chop hair fall control masks. You can use my code MEHER10 for a 10% discount. Why do I use these hair masks? They've been really helping my hair, and what I really like about the brand is that it's vegan and it's cruelty free. It's also free from toxins and harmful chemicals, and the brand is also loved by people of more than 50 countries, and that's a lot. It's been there for the last 30 years, and it's been bringing Mother Nature and all of that to you, so that's really cool, and I find that really cool about these hair masks. It's also infused with like natural hair loving ingredients like basil, hibiscus and neem, and it strengthens hair roots and helps control hair fall, and it also adds shine and luster to your hair. My hair has just become better in the last like week. I think it's improved to a considerable extent. So yeah, just don't forget to use my code MEHER10 for a 10% discount at vasuhealthcare.com. It's on your screen and in the description below. Anyway, I'm gonna do my routine and I'm gonna see you guys. Yes, I just pulled a whole all-nighter. I'm done with my routine, by the way. I just pulled an entire I was gonna say an entire all-nighter. Is that even correct English? But I've stayed up all night. It's 6:20 a.m. The sun has still not risen. Wait till the sun rises and then go to sleep so I complete my all-nighter.
So it's basically one day before Archit's birthday, and I've obviously come here and sat. I'm gonna sit here for 8 hours now. But Archit's mama is making me pav bhaji because I love his
And
pav
gulab
bhaji.
jamun.
And gulab jamun.
Gumal jamun. But listen.
Flash warning. This one is for the boys with the booming system, top down AC with the cooling system. When you come up in the club, you be blazing up. That's the kind of dude I was looking for. Yes, next time we're looking on beat drop. It's 11:30 right now.
So Rohan.
And this is our friend Rohan. And we have come here for Archit's birthday to wish him, and all of his other friends ditched him.
Literally, it's like
And-
four people coming.
And I just gave him a letter that I wrote for him, and he's
Okay,
gonna read
so-
it now. You can't show what's written in the letter, but you have to read it in front of the camera.
I have to read it.
So Archit has just cried. That's Rohan. And yeah, I got him very emotional because I wrote him a very sweet letter.
Tarini's the only one on my Zoom meeting.
Tarini's the Archit, we officially have the worst friends.
And we do. Tarini, oh, vlogger. It's 11:58.
Hi T. Ja chote.
Hi,
T. Ja chote.
Hey!
8:12.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Archit. Happy birthday to you.
Ja chote.
Oh, it's one of those
Tuja
strict
Vaad
candles that
Wait,
doesn't-
no, I want to sing my song. Ja chote. Tuja Vaad no one's giving me a beat also. Okay. Ja chote. Tuja Vaad Ja chote. तुझा वाढदिवस हम पार्टी करेंगे.
That was inexplicable.
That is the whole thing.
See everyone, say hi to everyone on your Zoom.
Hi guys.
Oh my God.
Thanks for coming.
Hi Tarini, hi Kiara. Hi Tarini, hi Kiara.
Smile for vlog. Look handsome, all of you.
Hey Rohan, you're pretty good at this.
Right?
You just stop scratching your leg for some reason.
Ishan, speak more Hindi. No, I got out.
We just had a dance session.
And this has been
It's been
a great day.
I'm tired. It's days no. Tomorrow is my proper birthday.
Tomorrow is his proper birthday.
Guys, I'm not ending my vlog, but y'all are leaving.
We are?
Yeah,
We
you
are.
guys are, right? My cake that I have to eat. My vlog.
What up?
Okay. Taneesha.
Heyo, it's Taneesha and you're watching the Disney Channel.
Am I 18 years old again? That's just very concerning. I'm an adult now. That's wow. Hey, I just got ready. I know it's a very like all over the place vlog, but hold on. I just got ready. I'm gonna go meet my grandparents because it's my 18th birthday, and I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. Cause why not? Oh my god, I look cool. Not me becoming my own fan. I am my own fan. I said I'm my own favorite YouTuber. Okay, enough. Okay, bye guys. I'm leaving my house. I'm vlogging!
Hi!
Hi!
Well, basically, this is Archit's surprise party.
That's Alina, that's Archit, that's Rohan, that's Tarini, that's Raph. Okay, let's go.
Ow.
You say that's giraffe or rat? Wait! Oh, hold your gift.
Thanks. Why is this so scary? Oh, look at that's Alina. We are going on the yacht right now. That's the gateway of India.
I want to
Guys, okay.
open it. Alina and I got him a
Guys,
gift.
pictures for my main.
Alina and I got him a gift.
Okay, who
Yeah,
wants
come.
refreshments?
Me.
You have water. Okay, guys.
Hi.
This is Archit's vlog, and we're headed to his yacht. This is Kabir and Raf, my besties. But Kabir's damn pissed off with me. That's Taj.
And
That's
me.
Gateway of
Hi.
India. And that's
My birthday.
These are my actual besties. Chips wale bhaiya.
I don't have champagne, but I have Happy Fizz.
Tarini, Arjun, Stati, Rohan. Okay, guys, we're in the yacht, and you shush.
I'm vlogging this, guys.
Oh, hi. Let's slow. I told you I'm slow.
This
I'm wearing a life jacket and these people aren't. Cancel them. Rohan, don't
Practice
cancel.
proper boat
Don't
safety.
cancel Rohan, cause like Rohan's wearing a life jacket and take me also wearing it.
Do I need okay. There's Archit wearing a life jacket.
Why are we shouting so
You're
much?
not dumb. Just behave yourself.
Alina,
I'm just vibing your life. That's it.
Rohan.
What's up?
Whoa, I love this. Tarini. Rap.
Long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the waters, no matter how hard I try. Everywhere I take, everywhere I try. They're literally all the way down, and Rohan and I are like.
My hair is even more fun than I thought.
Guys, everybody's traumatized with Rohan and I having a ball. Like everybody's crying because the waves are hitting the water, hitting our face, and like everybody's like basically dying because the waves are going to be up and try to get to the vlog, Tani. Do that again. We can do this, you guys. I'm just having cramps and everybody's crying, but I'm really enjoying. My hair is so fun now. Wow. Guys, Rohan's my childhood best friend. It's my childhood.
Raph is currently dying as we speak.
Pretty sure our life.
Yeah, Raph, wear your life jacket.
We're trying to stay alive.
Bye.
I'm pole dancing.
You're not pole dancing on the
Can I
yacht.
just tell y'all, Raph died. Like he literally
And
died.
I almost.
And Archit almost died.
Almost.
Everybody else was traumatized, but me, I'm a brave bitch. Ah!
So I'm sick and tired of these vlogs.
You're not tired of my
I
vlogs.
can't be vlogged anymore.
Guys, say hi.
I'm done.
Neil, say hi.
Look at his last minute birthday present, guys.
Yeah.
All the way from Bangalore.
All the way from Bangalore.
His birthday present all the way from Bangalore.
That's okay. I'll take over my vibe. Keep it there.
Take over your vlog, kya kare?
You all.
Okay, so everybody, Archit just became an adult yesterday, so please wish him happy adulthood.
Yay! Happy adulthood.
You're 18 now. Yeah. Wow. He's no longer minor.
Thank God, Alina still is there.
Okay, so Archit was here. Taneesha was on the phone with him. And she's like, come here, come straight. And this boy's going left, right, up, down. He doesn't know where straight is.
Archit, just turn around and walk.
And he's like, I can't see that.
I'm right ahead of you.
So much of the overacting I didn't know.
Welcome back to Taneesha and Avanti. Welcome back to Taneesha and Avanti's joint channel for Archit Meher. Honestly, I mean,
our siblings in check at this point.
I meet Avanti almost every day at this point.
Look.
Dude, but honestly, every day. I literally meet Archit every day. I meet Avanti every alternate day.
All of us were in the
But I literally, you know, guys, Avanti and I are perfectly really close. Like today, like I told her some secrets about myself that I can't say here. But I told her some secrets about myself that I wouldn't just tell anyone. Like I wouldn't tell Archit. I was just kidding. Archit knows those secrets. I told him Avanti. I tell him everything. I tell him everything except some girly things that I can tell you and Alina that I can't tell Archit.
Yeah.
Okay, bus. Now bye.
I see.